Hi everyone and welcome to the wonderful world of DIY. We're so excited to have you here with us today. DIY stands for do it yourself. It's a fantastic way to express your creativity and make something truly unique. It's all about making cool stuff with your own two hands. From simple projects to more complex creations, the possibilities are endless. DIY projects are a fun and easy way to let your creativity shine. You can make gifts for friends and family, or create something special just for yourself. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, there's a DIY project out there for everyone. From knitting and sewing to painting and building, there's something for every skill level and interest. So grab your glue gun, scissors, and let's get started. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. The beauty of DIY is that there are no rules. I can't wait to see what amazing things you create. Share your projects with us and join our community of DIY enthusiasts. Let's make something incredible together. DIY projects are super popular and for good reason. They offer a fantastic way to express creativity and bring your ideas to life. Whether you're into crafting, woodworking, or even upcycling old items, there's a DIY project for everyone. First of all, they save you money. Instead of buying something new, you can often make it yourself for a fraction of the cost. Imagine the satisfaction of creating a beautiful piece of furniture or a unique piece of art without breaking the bank. Plus, it's so rewarding to create something with your own hands. The sense of accomplishment you get from completing a project is unmatched. It's not just about the end product, but the journey of making it. DIY projects are also a great way to personalize your home and wardrobe. You can add a touch of your personality to every corner of your living space and every piece of clothing you wear. You can make things that truly reflect your unique style. From custom-made decorations to personalized clothing, the possibilities are endless. So why not start a DIY project today and see where your creativity takes you? Ready to give DIY a try? It's a great way to express yourself. It's easier than you think, and so much fun. Start by choosing a simple project like decorating a plain picture frame. Gather your supplies like paint, glitter, or stickers. Then, let your imagination run wild and get creative. There are no rules in DIY, so have fun with it. Don't be afraid to experiment and make mistakes. That's how you learn and grow. Congratulations on completing your first DIY project. It's a fantastic achievement and a testament to your creativity and hard work. But this is just the beginning of your DIY adventure. Now that you've got the DIY bug, it's time to explore all the different types of projects out there. Whether you're interested in woodworking, crafting, or even electronics, there's a whole world of DIY waiting for you to discover. From home decor to upcycling old clothes, the possibilities are endless. You can transform everyday items into something extraordinary, giving them a new lease on life and adding a personal touch to your space. Share your creations with friends and family, or even start a DIY blog or social media account. By sharing your journey, you can inspire others to start their own projects and build a community of like-minded DIY enthusiasts. Most importantly, keep creating, keep learning, and most importantly, have fun. The joy of DIY is in the process, the learning, and the satisfaction of making something with your own hands. So grab your tools, unleash your creativity, and enjoy every moment of your DIY journey.